Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about something that controls everything in your life. Something more valuable than money, more powerful than talent. And once it's gone, it never comes back.
Time.
Most people think they will waste their life in one big mistake. But that's not how it happens.
Life is wasted quietly, slowly, and small choices made every single day.
Waking up late, delaying goals, scrolling without purpose.
Saying, I'll do it tomorrow. I'll start next week. I still have time.
But here's the truth. Tomorrow is not guaranteed.
Time doesn't wait for anyone.
Let me ask you something. When was the last time you said, I don't have time?
We all say it, but the reality is different.
You don't lack time. You lack direction.
Everyone has 24 hours. The difference is how they use them.
Some people use time to build skills.
Others use time to escape responsibility.
Time doesn't care about excuses.
It only responds to action.
The most dangerous lie is this. I'm still young.
Youth is not a promise of success. It's an opportunity.
And opportunities expire.
If you don't use them, they disappear.
Every day you wake up, time gives you a chance.
And every night, it takes that chance back.
What you do in between decides your future.
Not your plans, not your dreams, your actions.
Look around. Most people are busy but not productive.
They are tired, but not fulfilled.
They confuse movement with progress.
But being busy doesn't mean you're building anything.
Real progress is quiet.
It happens when no one is watching.
Distractions are everywhere.
Phones, social media, endless entertainment.
None of these are bad.
But uncontrolled, they become dangerous.
They steal minutes.
Minutes become hours.
Hours become years.
And suddenly, life is half over.
One day, you will look back.
And you will ask yourself, where did my time go?
That question hurts.
Because deep down, you know the answer.
Time went where your priorities were.
And priorities reveal who you truly are.
If your priority is comfort, you will live an average life.
If your priority is growth, life will challenge you.
Growth is uncomfortable.
But regret is worse.
Successful people don't wait for motivation.
They work even when they don't feel like it.
They respect time.
They protect it fiercely,
They say no to distractions.
so they can say yes to their future.
You don't need to change your whole life today.
You just need to change how you use today.
One focused hour is powerful.
One disciplined habit can change everything.
Read instead of scrolling.
Learn instead of complaining.
Build skills instead of excuses.
Invest time instead of wasting it.
Another way people waste life is by living for others.
Trying to impress people who don't care.
Following paths they don't believe in.
Chasing approval instead of purpose.
Your life is your responsibility.
Your time is your asset.
No one will protect it for you.
No one will save it for you.
You must decide what matters.
And what doesn't.
Ask yourself every day, is this helping my future?
If not, walk away.
Life rewards consistency.
Not talent alone.
It rewards discipline.
Not excuses.
Most people know what to do.
Very few actually do it.
The difference between success and regret is daily action.
Small steps repeated.
One day, your time will be up.
And only one thing will matter.
How you used it,
Not what you planned,
not what you wished.
but what you actually did.
So don't waste your life.
Don't waste your time.
Start today,
Start now,
because time is running.
and your future is waiting.
Thank you for listening.
Remember, your next decision could change everything.
Speaking. We must talk in English every day to achieve fluency. Many people are afraid to speak English because they are shy and fear what will people say if they will make mistakes. Making mistakes is very common, so don't worry about them. Just try to express yourself. In the beginning, everyone makes mistakes. Always try to make new friends who are also willing to improve their English. Practice speaking in English with them as much as possible.